Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I've been showing you easy way to make hand sanitizer. And I'll be needing 3 ingredients, which is rubbing alcohol, aloe vera gel, essential oil, a measuring cup, measuring spoon, a container which I easily get from £1 shop, and then a funnel. Now I get the measuring cup. I'll be needing 65 ml of the measuring spoon, one which is 65 ml, and then I had the aloe vera gel. I'll be needing 50 ml times 3 spoon. The spoon is 15 ml, so I'll be needing 3 of it. And then essential oil, I drop like 5 or 6 drops inside, and then I mix it. Then I'll be needing the container spray. I put the funnel and then pour the hand sanitizer inside. So easy, so easy to make this hand sanitizer. Yeah, as you can see in the video, it's so easy, and it's alcohol based hand sanitizer. So instead of, as we all know it, we go to the shop, it's so expensive or it's out of stock. So here we go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again on my next video. Bye bye.